Welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Are your plants wilting, yellowing, or just not thriving despite your best efforts? You might be watering the wrong way, but don't worry. Mastering the art of watering is easier than you think. Once you know the basics, you'll be on your way to a thriving, vibrant garden. Grab your watering can and gloves. Today I'm sharing my top tips to help you give your plants the perfect amount of hydration. Let's dive in and learn how to water like a pro. Most gardeners either water too much, too little, or at the wrong time. But watering isn't about a strict schedule. It's about reading your garden's cues and responding to its real needs. Let's tackle the 3 most common watering mistakes and how to fix them. Are you giving your plants a little sprinkle every day? That leads to shallow roots and unhappy plants. Infrequent, deep watering is key. Encourage roots to grow deep and strong. Instead of daily watering, give your garden a good soak once or twice a week, depending on your climate and soil. For containers, check the soil daily, but remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Timing matters. The best time to water is in the morning. This gives plants time to absorb moisture before the heat, and reduces the risk of disease. Avoid watering in the evening to prevent fungal problems. Always water the soil, not the leaves. Wet leaves invite disease. Use a soaker hose or watering wand to direct water right to the base of your plants. Mulch is a gardener's secret weapon. A thick layer locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. You'll water less often, and your plants stay hydrated even on hot days. Plus, mulch breaks down over time, adding nutrients to your soil. Don't guess. Check. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it's dry, water. If it's moist, wait. For containers, lift the pot. Heavy means moist, light means it's time to water. Want to make watering even easier? Try drip irrigation. It delivers water right to the roots efficiently and slowly. It saves water, reduces disease, and helps roots grow deep and strong. Now you know the secrets to watering like a pro. Remember, it's about understanding your plant's needs and responding accordingly. Try these tips and watch your garden thrive. Share your biggest watering challenges in the comments and let's help each other grow. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more gardening tips from the Wormy Garden.